In this video, we're going to talk about some of the basic aspects of the user interface in WHIR. Starting off with, we'll talk about the left-hand side toolbar or the left-hand side navigation. We use this to get around the system to access the different types of views. There are three main menus: Home, Center, and Configuration. Configuration is only seen by system administrators. Home contains all the different views relating to your individual data. By default, when you log in, you are taken to the My Details section, which gives you every bit of data that's associated with your account. You also have access to My Clients, My Calendar, My Messages, and My Reports, depending on the permissions that you have associated with you. Under Center, you're able to access information more broadly about the center, with the most commonly used one being the calendar, which shows how everyone's time is being managed, and then various views relating to clients, workshops, community events, and reports. The next main item in the user interface is what we call the floating action button, which is always available in the bottom right-hand corner. The purpose of the floating action button is to provide quick access to common tasks that you need to complete, such as creating new clients or logging time logs. The next primary aspect of the user interface is the primary or top toolbar across the top. Whichever view we click on in WHIR, the various actions we can perform are available in this top toolbar. The actions that we can perform change depending on the view that we access. Talking about the different views, there are two types of views in WHIR. We have list views like the one we see in front of us right now, which provide a list of records that we can search and filter on. So in this particular view, the waiting list, we can filter the view on Show All to show all records, or filter the view based on priority. We can also search for specific records by entering text into the search window. We can access the filters on various columns or specific columns in list views by clicking the filter button on the associated column. We can also add additional columns, change the order of columns, and change the layout of these list views to best suit our needs. When we click on a specific record from a list view, we then go into what we call a detail view. This provides detailed data about this specific record. In this case, we've opened a detailed view of a specific client, and we can access all the specific information about them. We have detailed and list views for workshops, community events, employees, and various other types of data in the system.